Look what we woke up to, you guys. Look what is outside. Can you guys see that through the window? Do you see that white stuff on my grass? Do you see that white stuff?
Mommy,
Crazy.
it's on the house.
It's here. It's probably gonna melt. But this is the first technical snowfall.
Snowfall?
Snowfall.
Snowfall?
Yeah, let's go have breakfast.
So
So the kids wanted me to show you guys that it's on our deck too. Our table is covered. Chairs are covered.
What? Right over there.
That's awesome.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Are you helping too, Noah? Let Jordan show you how to spell it.
Yeah, I'll show you.
She'll help you spell it, okay?
What does it say?
Harvest.
Harvest? I made harvest?
Jordan's gonna help you do it.
Thank you.
That's yours, huh?
Halloween!
I went over my aunt's house, you guys, and I did help my cousin do some packing and organizing of her things. For those of you that don't know, my aunt passed away the end of September, and she had this bird that actually was mine when I was a kid. And I shouldn't say a kid, but when I was like 13, so I was a kid. This bird has been alive since then. This bird is super, super, super old for a bird. And yeah, so now we're gonna give it a home. And my kids are super excited about it. They have not left the cage side since I brought the bird in the house. Hey guys, it's Mandy, and we are full into the day. The kids at school off today because it's Monday and they had some teacher work thing. So they're off today, and we're just running errands and doing things, trying to get ready for Halloween. So I just started vlogging, but to get you guys caught up, we went to Michael's. Actually, we dropped Elena off with the kids. She's actually watching the kids at dance while we're shopping. So Elena's at dance with the kids, and I took Jordan and the little girls to Michael's. We got Jordan's costume stuff at Michael's. She's gonna like make her costume. It's like really simple. I mean, she's 13, so it's not like she's gonna wear a costume, but she wants to make something cute, so we're gonna craft and make her her shirt for Halloween tomorrow. We're about to go into Target and be last minute procrastinators and get Noah or get Cameron and Kennedy's costumes. Noah and Isaiah already have their costumes because they needed them Saturday for dance class. And I think by the time we're done, we're gonna go back and get Elena and the kids from dance class. And I have dinner in the crock pot, so I'm really happy about that because when we get home, dinner will be ready. I'm making Tex-Mex chili, so we'll be on my what's for dinner. And I think that is enough to catch you guys up to speed. Sorry for this hot mess. It is freezing cold. It's like 24 degrees out with the wind chill. So everybody's bundled up in their jackets and layered. And it is. Hey guys, so we just got home. I'm closing up all of the blinds because Matt left for work while we were gone, and it was still daylight out, so he left the entire house open. So I'm just closing up the house. So we found costumes for Cameron and Kennedy. Okay, so this is what Cameron's gonna be. We actually got these in the costume or the princess type section because they were $1 cheaper and they were more detailed. Like there was way more detail to the costume than the Halloween section. So that's what Kennedy's gonna be. Sorry, that's what Kennedy's gonna be. This is what Cameron's gonna be. She's gonna be Belle, and this one had more detail to it too. Like this little part, the extra material here, the detail here, all the sparkles and the flowers. Like that is just so much better than what they had for the costume in the Halloween section. So I'm glad that we checked over there. And then she got this headband, and then we had this little headband. We got this in like the birthday section for the crowns. This little piece fell off because we were being a little bit too rough. So we're gonna glue that back on. Picture taken already. Look at Daddy, look at Daddy.
Ready? Should we go get some candy?
Yeah!
All right, see ya.
Bye!
Hold on. Let Mommy see your costume. Turn around. Isaiah, what are you? What are you? Raphael, what are you?
From what?
From what?
Rockin' to the core.
Descendants?
From Descendants, right?
I'm Belle from Beauty and the Beast.
Oh, and what are you?
And I'm Princess Elena.
Oh, cool.
You
You guys are so cute. Hey, you guys, turn around and get together.
Can we stop?
Say Happy Halloween, YouTube friends.
Happy Halloween, YouTube friends. Wait. Let's go take chocolate
Are we gonna go get candy now, son?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we go right now.
You wanna go right now? You ready, Zaya?
Here you go.
Let me see your shell.
Here you go. Here you go. And chocolate candy.
Cool.
Bye. See you next time. Yummy. Come back here. Do you have a checker? I have a blue checker. Yeah, I have a. Yeah.
What is it?
We are all ready to go, but people are coming, so we're kind of giving out candy for a little bit while
What do we say?
Happy Halloween.
we're trying to get out the door.
Happy Halloween, guys and gals. All right, let's go.
Okay, our trick or treat is ready to go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
What?
More people are coming. We can't get out the door.
Is he Dracula? So listen, here's how it works, guys. Look at me. They open the door, you put out your bucket, and they put the candy in it. You don't grab it in their bucket. You understand?
Halloween trick or treat lessons right now
Man,
from
because
Dad.
Cameron's
Cameron wants to
selecting.
take the whole bucket.
Look, right away. Man,
What?
I mean,
Oh, yep. And we almost lost the glove.
like at the third hop.
Are you guys having fun? Are you freezing cold yet?
No.
No?
It's cold.
Mama's freezing cold.
It's the moon, Mama. Mama,
It is the moon.
I said, put the buckets out and you say trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
What?
I was like, what's the magic word? You're like, please?
The kids are entertained watching Lena give out candy. She has it on.
Oh, shoot.
She wore it to school. What are you eating? Sweet tarts? Yum. Really good? Are you gonna make a picture on your pumpkin? Your pink is kind of light on there, baby.
Yeah.
What are you making? You make an eye?
Oh, yeah, the nail.
Uh-oh. Come on, buddy, running away.
What?
Running
What
away.
are you making, Noah?
Headed for the
A
garbage.
kitty.
You got it?
A what?
A kitty.
A kitty? Okay. Oh, that's right, Pop. What are you gonna draw on your pumpkin, Isaiah?
I don't know.
You don't know yet?
Maybe a giant red now. Make it I want red now. Mommy, I want red now.
Please, 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 I want
That
it.
pink color red.
You want red?
You want color
So I'm driving the kids around now. It is freezing cold, so like me and the older kids are in the car. I'm waiting and they're going through like a haunted trail. Like somebody in our neighborhood sets up like a haunted trail. It's like really elaborate. And yeah. Look at this super cool house the girls are going to. I love it. They went all out this year. They have the music playing and everything. So Jordan made a Mike Wazowski from Monsters Inc. shirt. She went out with her friends trick-or-treating, so she was not with us this year. This is a picture when she got home.